Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm back with the new sessions today, and today I'm going to teach you about how to pass sales entry. In the previous sessions, I have taught you all that how to make stock items, creation of stock item in a single mode and a multiple ledger mode. Today I'm going to teach you how to pass the sales entry through Tally. So here we go with the steps. First, you have to come to the gateway of Tally, come to an accounting vouchers. These two options I have already taught you, account info and inventory info. Now let's come to the accounting vouchers. Press enter here or click on this accounting vouchers. You can see the payment voucher has been created here. So now we are going to pass the sales entry. So suppose we are dealing with the smartphones companies. So we'll sell the smartphones. Uh, so have to pass the sales entry. The time will sell the goods or will sell the phones to the customers or parties or sundry debtors. We have to pass the sales entry or making invoice. So today I'll show you how to create invoice or bill which we issue to the customer. Here you can see all the buttons are there: inventory, vouchers, date, contra entry, receipt, journal, sales, purchase, and post dated. So now you have to click the options on sales because you are going to create bills. See, this is how the screen appears of the sales voucher. Now you are asking the date is 1st April 2020. I'm taking example 1st April 2020 only. And if you wish to change the date, particular date, then you have to press F2. You can change the date here. It's 2 4. I can chill 4 4 2020, whatever, within the financial year. So likewise, I'm taking the date only 1 4 2020. By pressing the F2, you'll get the date changing options. Now here you can see like reference number. They're asking the reference number. So here the bill number will come. So this is my first bill. So I have to give my bill number as one only. So I'm giving my bill number with the reference ID. My company name is ABC. Taking a caps lock ABC slash 001. This is my bill number. Party name. Yes. I'm dealing with the cash as I'm running a showroom of smartphones. So I'll deal with the cash and all. So I'll select the ledger cash, and if I'll sell any smartphones to any party, then you can create a ledger by pressing Alt C. Alt C is the shortcut to create ledger or party or anything on the voucher creations. Like a stock item, you can create stock, you can create party name and everything by Alt C. Let's take as a cash billing. This is a cash billing. So cash. Here the options came: delivery note number. I don't have to do all this because I'm not sending goods to anyone. Is a by hand delivery. Mode of payment cash. I'll write here cash. Buyers. Yeah. Here you have to write the name of the customers to whom you are selling. You have to ask the customer his name and address. And if let's take as example, I'm giving my name only, Sheikh Imran, and I'm from Kolkata. Here state West Bengal. I'm staying in West Bengal. I don't have a GST ID, sales tax ID because I'm a customer. Okay, sales ledger. You have to select here sales ledger in sales account. Like this option is, you can see this written as sales ledger. Then here the sales account will come. So take it as example as sales account. So you have to create one sales account because there is no sales account is created. So you have to press Alt C. Now they have given the options to create ledger. So sales account. This will come under sales account. Yes, you can see the sales account here. This will be yes. Type of ledger not applicable. Select. By pressing the enter, you can go and accept the ledger. Now name of the item. Then here you will press space button. As you press space button, all the item will be shown here, whatever stock you have made. So I hope you all remember we have made this type of stocks, Redmi Y1, Redmi Y2 and all. And you can see it's showing here. You can see all the stocks and all the opening closing balance is there. 10 pieces Redmi Y1 is there in my stock. So suppose I'm selling Redmi Y2 to one customer. One piece I'm selling in for the total bill value of 16,000. See, the bill value is 16,000. Now I'll accept. Go and accept. Press enter. Now the bill is generated. Now you can see the bill. You can see the bill here. Go to display, day book, or you can just click on accounts book. Here's the sales register. See, on April I have passed one entry only of 16,000. Press enter. Again press enter. This is the bill. Then print this bill and the bill will be issued and the invoice will be created successfully. This is how, yeah, we used to create sales bill or invoice to the customers and all. Thank you.